is it possible? Is it possible? Of course. And what's up, guys? Chickita here. Good morning. We're back. Great weather over here. Look at that. I think. Look at the weather, and it's not so traffic down here. Woo! It's so nice. It's cool. It's, you know, the coolness is kayang-kaya. It's tolerable if you have a jacket on. Hi, babe. Yes, we're back, guys, and we're back sa aming munting tahanan dito. Today, I'm gonna tell you guys. Yesterday, guys, we missed our conference yesterday. That was awful. This is just a normal conversation, ha? Wala nang ka-etchos-etchos. Hindi to biro, guys, ha? Yung, alam mo yung feeling na unti-unti ka na nakaka-feel ng something confidence about what you do after you put effort on it. So, diba? It's fulfilling. Right, babe? Yeah. And that's something na na-realize ko na that's one of the reason talaga na kaya walang parang walang naglalast or walang nagsistay longer sa industry na to. It's because it's not easy. And it takes a lot of skills and experience, confidence to execute your decision. So, ayan. I will try my best to explain na in a simple way. Paano ko to kinita ng isang araw? Okay. Just a disclaimer. My opinion, my views about this does not encourage or ensure everyone that you can earn money. Okay, you have to be accountable of your decision. Kung papasok ka nito, then you have to do your own research because I'm not a professional, and believe me, stock market is unforgiving. Wow, wow, wow. That was a milestone, guys. Stock market. So, dito ako na kaka-earn ng ganito. Ano yung stock market in a simplest way? Alright, I think I need some paper and mark pen. Hang on, I'm not ready. But today, guys, is weekend. Okay. Okay, let's say this is a cake. Alright? That's a cake. Now, let's call this cake an apple company. Alright, apple. Alright, that's the cake. Alright? So, hatiin natin to. Ayan, hati na, di ba? Guys, itong slice is in the stock market standpoint. This is what we call shares. Just an example, shares. This Apple company offered to the public for people to buy the shares. So when you buy it, now you will be called investor. Pag bumili ka ng isang slice, you have a shares of the Apple company. Just to give you a simple understanding kung paano ka naging investor. Now, as the days goes on, this slice or shares has a specific price every day. Okay? Every minute. As the days goes on, when the company is doing good, then that's a good news. Big possibility that the price goes up. Now, when there's a certain news or bad news, then definitely that affect sometimes, I mean most of the times, not all, most of the times the price of the shares goes down. So, yung pinaka-basic talagang understanding sa stock market is like buy low, sell high, right? Today, guys, hindi ako mag-discuss about technical because mahaba ang usapin yan. There are two major kinds of investing. So, first is we have fundamental investing. Alright, the second is analytics. So, in fundamental investing, this is like the traditional kind of investing. If you know Warren Buffett, okay, so those prominent people in the stock market, yun yung mga ginagamit nila. Not only that technique. So basically, for fundamental investing, it's for long-term investment. So when you invest in the fundamental way, you have to have an in-depth knowledge about the company's background, the company's financial standpoint, like understanding what's the balance sheet of the company, if they are in debt, or what are their earnings per quarter, and then yun. And then, so the analytics naman, ito yung mga, kung napapansin nyo, yung mga tao na nag-watch ng computer, just like what I do, nag-watch ng computer at tinitingnan yung charts, yung graph, or yung candles, yan yung analytics. It break down to the two, which is day trading and swing trading. Day trading and swing trading, it basically are the same in terms about their philosophies and principles. The difference is the day trading is you're buying and selling the stock at the same day. So you buy the stock, and then at the end of the day you sell it, or not only at the end of the day, but in a few seconds or in a few minutes you sell the stock. So ayan. And then the swing trading naman, yung swing trading is you buy the stock, all right, and then you hold it for a couple of days or a couple of weeks before you sell it. So ayan. Now the question is how much money you need to start in the investing. Actually guys, there's no required amount of money na para maka-start ganito, okay? Walang required na amount. But you cannot trade unlimitedly if your account is below 25k amount. So that's by the law. So ayan, that's the ano lang. So kung yung account mo is below 25k, then you can do swing trading. There's no problem with that. All you just have to do is to find a good stock. Okay, saan ka pwede mag-invest? Marami sa atin na gustong mag-invest. Hindi lang natin alam kung saan, kung paano mag-start. So, since nandito ako sa US market yung focus ko, okay? So, ayan, kung nasa Pinas ka, sa Pinas market ang focus mo, ang target mo, and then, ayan, mag-search ka lang, pero ang i-discuss ko ngayon guys dito is yung nalalaman ko dito. Hindi ako mag-a-apply sa Pinas. Actually, may alam ako sa Pinas, yung company na COL, okay? I have heard a lot of good things about COL. I-search nyo yan. COL. Kahit nasa Europe ka or nasaan ka, may stock market. Okay? Sa US is pwede ka mag-invest sa Teddy Ameritrade, Trader Station, E-Trade. What else? Robinhood, Tastyworks. Actually, marami pang iba. Charles Schwab. There are so many financial service that offers this investing. So these are para sila ang broker. You know, they are the big broker and licensed broker. Ang i-mention ko lang, kung baguhan ka, ma-advise ko na you can start from Robinhood. Kung ano lang, bago ka pa lang, okay? Diyan ako nagsimula, guys, because Robinhood doesn't have a fee, doesn't have a transaction fee every time you trade. So, which is good, right? May difference talaga yung free na platform kaysa may bayad. If you know what you're doing, then you can use the Tastyworks or TD Ameritrade, yun. Meron na pero I think $5 yung ano nila sa stock, sa trading. Pero sa option, $1 per contract. Right now, much easier na talaga yung pag-invest kasi yung mga company is nag-ano na sila, nag-offer na sila ng mobile app. So before it was only web app. So you can only access through computer. But right now, you can access this one directly to your phone. So, ayan. So I will guide you sa Robinhood account, okay? Kung paano nyo install. So here we are, guys. This is how to set up your Robinhood account, okay? To open a brokerage account with Robinhood. So from here, to start this, you need to download this app called Robinhood. And then it's asking you to sign up. All right. Then after signing it up, to get this one started, you will need to enter your email address right here. And then hit continue. And if you have an account, you need to have a password. So after that, hit continue. Now this time it's asking you to put your legal name, okay? There's no nickname. Just enter your first name and last name right here. And then continue. Then you need to enter your phone number, American number. Then date of birth. Okay, again, US federal law requires all brokerage to collect this information, so you need to be truthful about this. So it's asking you to put the residential address as well. Now this time you need to select your citizenship. So you have to select that. They were going to verify your identity. So you'll have to hit continue with that. And this time you will have you're being asked to enter your social security number. There you go. And then all you have to do is to simply select the option as you're being asked how much investment experience you have. If it's none or not much, I don't know what I'm doing. So if you're an expert, you just have to select one of those. Then next, you will now going to again select if you're employed or not, retired, student, unemployed, yan, and then continue. So after that, this question: are you or a family member of a senior executive or 10% shares holder at publicly traded company? So if not, the response right here is only yes or no. So you have to select no if not, yes or if you are. And then this time you will be asked if do you or a family member work for another brokerage. So if you do not know what this means, it likely does not apply to you. So you hit no. If yes, you hit yes. There you go, and hit continue. This time you will have to, this is like an agreement, okay? And you have to select agree and review. Then submit. So from here, in order to make this first trade, you will need to transfer fan to your Robinhood account. So definitely you will be asked to link your bank account. So if you don't have one, that's impossible. So from here, you will have to select which of the company that which bank you're using. So ayan. If you can't find it, just manually type it. So you can't escape this process. And then submit. After that, you need to hit continue to Robinhood option. So this time, it's saying, welcome to Robinhood, guys. So this time, guys, we will have to wait first because your application is currently under review. So in the meantime, you can get started by adding a few stocks. Ayan, and then you can put that one in your watch list while waiting the Robinhood to get your account approved. So, right. Ganun lang kasimple, di ba? Alright, so I think that's it for today, guys. And thank you for watching and thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a nice weekend and have a great day. Goodbye.